How to get $100 Uniqlo promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uniqlo promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you the coupon codes. Now you can scroll down and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Los Angeles. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of promo code options. You can just scroll down and check. $85 off, 15% off, 5% off, and so on. You can just scroll down and check. If you want to use any of these coupon codes, all you have to do is click on this option of Show More. With that, you will find the details of the coupon code. Now click on View Coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Uniqlo, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this coupon code right away, click on this option of Visit Uniqlo. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uniqlo. Now you can log into your account, purchase the item, and whenever you check out, apply this promo code and get the discount. Also, you can try out these coupon codes. Likewise, you can also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo codes. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Uniqlo promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.